Hello, Donald Potty, AD Potty Chartered Accountants and Business Advisors. I'm doing a quick video to inform people about the changes that were made in yesterday's announcement to the Job Support Scheme. Job Support Scheme replaces the previous Job Retention Scheme, which closes at the end of October. The new rules to the JSS Job Support Scheme there will be now two variations, both of which run for 6 months until the end of April 2021. There's a JSS Open, which will support businesses where employees are working shorter hours due to reduced demand. The employees need to work at least 20% of their normal hours, and the employer will pay the employees for the hours they worked. The government will then pay a contribution of 61.67% of their usual pay for the hours not worked, up to a maximum of $1,541.75 per month, and you, the employer, will pay 5% of the usual hours not worked, up to a maximum of £125 a month. You can top this up further if you choose. This will mean that the employees should receive at least 2/3 of their normal pay for the hours not worked. The caps are reduced according to the proportion of hours not worked, and further guidance on this will be published shortly. The second JSS scheme is for the businesses which have to be closed as a direct result of restrictions set by one of the four governments. And this includes premises restricted to delivery or collection only services from their premises, and those restricted to providing food and or drinks outdoors. For the JSS closed, the government will fund 2/3 of the employees' usual wages for time not worked, up to a maximum of £2,083.33 per month. You're not required to contribute, but you can top up if you choose. In both schemes, the employer still needs to cover the employer NI and pension contributions. The first JSS claims can be made in arrears from the 8th of December for pay periods ending and paid in November. And the revenue will inform everybody before the end of the month. Employees will be able to check if they've had a JSS scheme claim through their online personal tax account, and they can set that up by searching for personal tax account. The job retention bonus, which is a payment of £1,000 for every eligible employee furloughed and claimed for throughout the CJRS, will be and they're continuously employed until the 31st of January, so there's £1,000 for each of those employees. That does not have to be paid to the employee, and you're able to claim that bonus between the 15th of February and the 31st of March 21. To do this, you must have submitted pay earn information for the period up to the 5th of February on time. And again, guidance can be found by searching for job retention bonus guidance. The Corona Job Retention Scheme will close at the end of this month, the 31st of October, and any final claims need to be made on or before the end of November. From the 1st of October, the government will pay 60% of the wages with a cap of 1,875, and the employer needs to make it up to at least 80% of their normal wages. So the cap is £2,500. You need to fund the difference yourself. Anybody that has claimed too much in error needs to check and live 90 days from receiving the money, or where they become aware of the circumstances that mean that you're no longer entitled to the grant. Again, anybody that has any questions or queries, please contact us and we'll do what we can to help. Thank you very much.